Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see float on Steam Market. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to chromewebstore.google.com. This is where you'll find the extension that makes viewing float values possible directly on the Steam Market. Once the page loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click on it and type CS Float Market Checker, then press enter to search for the extension. This tool is essential because it automatically displays float values for CS2 items right on the market page, saving you time and effort. From the search results, click on CS Float Market Checker to open its extension page. This extension is specifically designed to show wear ratings and pattern information for Counter-Strike 2 skins, making it much easier to evaluate items before purchasing. Now click Add to Chrome to begin the installation process. A confirmation pop-up will appear at the top of your browser asking you to verify the installation. Go ahead and click Add Extension to complete the setup. The extension will now integrate with your browser and activate automatically whenever you visit the Steam Market. Next, open a new tab and navigate to store.steampowered.com. This is Steam's official storefront where you can access the community market. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top menu. Hover your mouse over Community, and from the drop-down that appears, select Market. This will take you to the Steam Community Market where you can browse and purchase items from various games. In the right panel, you'll see a search bar. Click on it and type in the name of the item you're looking for. For instance, you could type knife or any other weapon you prefer. This helps narrow down the thousands of available items to exactly what you're interested in. Below the search bar, click Show Advanced Options. This expands additional filters that let you refine your search even further by game, category, and other criteria. From the options that appear, click Counter-Strike 2 from the list to filter items specifically for this game. Then click Knife from the list to narrow your results down to knife skins only. After setting these filters, click Search to display all matching items. Now you'll see a list of available knives on the market. Browse through the results and click on your preferred item from the list to view more details about it. As you explore the page, scroll down and you'll notice there are additional items displayed below. Click on your preferred knife to open up its full details page. This is where the CS Float extension comes into play. Right beside the item image, you'll now see pattern template and wear rating, which is the float value. The float number appears right after the wear rating label. In short, your float is the wear rating displayed there. This value tells you the exact condition of the skin, ranging from 0 to 1, with lower numbers indicating better wear. And that's it. You've successfully set up the CS Float Market Checker and can now view float values directly on the Steam Market, making it much easier to find the perfect skin. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.